AstraZeneca is a multinational pharmaceutical and biopharmaceutical company with headquarters at Cambridge Biomedical campus. The latest new building to be constructed on the campus required a safe and secure method of connecting secondary steel to the main structural frame. This secondary steel would be at a high level and support heavy-duty mechanical pipe work and building services pipes around the building. Engineers also required the supports to be adjustable to allow for on-site tolerances. Lindapter worked with the engineer to design a simple but effective connection detail using Lindapter Type A girder clamps. Small sections of parallel flange channels connected to the main structural beams using Type A girder clamps in a 2-bolt configuration were specified. This provided the necessary tensile strength to support further secondary steel below and the pipes. Installation was quick and easy as each bolt was simply inserted into pre-drilled holes in the steel channel sections with the Type A on one end and nut on the other. The adjustability of the girder clamps allowed the contractor to align the steel channel sections into the exact positions required. Lindapter girder clamps provided fast installation and avoided costly on-site drilling or welding. The adjustability of the girder clamps also gave the contractor flexibility to overcome any on-site alignment issues. Key benefits: no drilling or welding required, fully adjustable on-site for easy installation. Hot Dipped Galvanised finish offers a cost-effective and low-maintenance solution. CE Mark ET 13x300. TÜV and Lloyd's register approvals. For more information, visit the case study section on our website.